I just went to this electronics store to get some materials to continue the moving camera with the stepper motor. I want to buy a Bluetooth module for the Arduino, but it wasn't in store anymore. I only bought this Atmega chip. It's the chip from the Arduino, so with this chip I can do everything with the Arduino. The Arduino board is more for like experimenting and stuff. Actually, it's just the same as this, but you have like the ports, the reset button, you have like a connector for to connect it on the computer. With this, you all need to connect it yourself. But it's nicer to put this like in a box than to put a full Arduino board in a box. I was thinking to quickly build something to make my camera move. I want to make something for on the coping of a hollow pipe. So when I do a grind on it, it like moves with my skateboard. So actually I will push something with my skateboard to move my camera. It will be just an experiment. I think it won't work like I want to build it right now. But yeah, it's just to try it out and to see what I need to improve, what I need to change. I just have like this little wheels and this wooden stick, so like this and like this, and then hopefully it will be rolling on the side. Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna try to fit the GoPro on top. It's okay, nice. I will go to the skate park to try it out. I am at the skate park. Before I start trying out this thing that I built, I'm gonna warm up a bit because it's really cold and yeah. It's a bit wet on the hollow pipe. That's a bummer, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Now that I did warm up a bit, I'm going to try to use this tool. I think it will not be stable enough, it will fall like this. I tried to push it, but yeah, you see it's going to fall. I think it would be more stable when I have like two wheels over here, so it can't fall like this. And also when I ride against it, you see like this, it's also not good. It should be like how it's now. The wheel should be touching the coping. I would need like a little bit of a bigger plate, base plate from the wheel. But I think it will work. I thought it would be worse. I'm gonna put on the GoPro again. Just going to make some shots to see how it looks. Slide against this. Okay. It will be hard. Okay. Just to know how close it is, maybe it needs to be further. I need to use a longer stick or something. But yeah. So then I would slide like this. And go back in. Okay. Now I know how to improve it.